Hey everyone, I'm Adam with UAV Coach, and I'm going to show you some basic movements you can start doing with your drone today. This is part 2 of learning to fly a drone, so if you missed the first video, I'll link it down below. We went through how to take off, hover, and land your drone. This video will get into mastering the basic controls, so let's get into it. Also, before we get started, I wanted to let you know that I am using the DJI Air 2S. If you have a different type of drone, some of these instructions might vary, so make sure to read the instructions for your drone model. After you get the drone to hover in place, we're going to practice some simple movements like flying left, right, forward, backward, and spinning the drone around, which is called yaw. And although I called these basic controls, these are really the major controls that you will use on any drone flight. It's how you will move the drone throughout the sky. The right stick controls the forward, backward, and side-to-side movement. So I'm gonna slowly push the right stick forward, and in doing so, the drone starts to slowly move forward. Now we're going to do the opposite and slowly move the drone backward by pushing the right stick downward. In doing this, try and get the drone back where it originally started. Now with the same stick, I'm going to slowly push it to the left and watch the drone go to the left. And again, just the opposite. I'm now going to push the stick to the right slowly and watch the drone move to the right. The last basic control I'm going to show you is how to rotate your drone clockwise and counterclockwise, otherwise known as yaw. For this control, the left stick is in charge. With your drone still hovering, slightly push the left stick to the left and watch the drone rotate to the left. Push it to the right and watch it rotate to the right. After you try out these movements, the only thing left to do is practice, practice, and practice. Just like anything else, the way you'll get good and comfortable flying your drone is by practicing a lot. The more you fly, the less nervous you'll be and the more confident you will become. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more exciting drone tips. And if you have any tutorial ideas you want us to make, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.